To start a design, click on New 3D Project and choose Import Floor Plan and select an JPEG image. Then choose the Auto Generate option and give one wall-to-wall measurement to track all the measurements. You can change the opacity here. You can change the display styles also, like material, white model, cartoon, transparent. Here you can change the room type. As per your room type, the tiles of the room change. You can give name for the remaining rooms also. You can hide and delete the base map. If you want to change any wall-to-wall measurement, also you can change by clicking one wall and give name.